Hi, I'm Brooke from Ebsta. I'm going to show you today how to use Ebsta for Chrome. I'm first going to show you Ebsta for Chrome on LinkedIn. As you can see, the first thing that happens when you hit a LinkedIn profile is the blue bar of Ebsta drops from the top of the screen. And this blue bar is telling me that Daniel Remedios already exists in my Bullhorn database. Not only that, but it's actually giving me some information straight from Bullhorn itself. So I've got some contact details, I've got the company that Daniel works for, I've got the status this candidate is at, and I've also got a last note and last task. You'll notice that I can actually click on the first and last name, although I'm not logged into Bullhorn and I don't even have it open anywhere. When I click on that, it's actually a direct click through into Bullhorn. So if I'm already logged in, it will simply take me to Daniel Remedios' profile within Bullhorn, like so. I can also click on the Ebsta logo to edit and update my Bullhorn records right from LinkedIn. So if I find out that, for example, Daniel's changed his mobile number, or perhaps he has been demoted and he is now no longer a senior product manager but a product manager. All of this information is updatable right from LinkedIn. And I can click save and that's instantly updated back into the Bullhorn database. You'll notice I can also add notes and tasks right from LinkedIn. I can add to tear sheets and distribution lists right from LinkedIn. I can even place someone in an open vacancy right from LinkedIn. I also want to show you Ebsta working in a particular job board. We're going to CV Library, but we work with many of the big job boards in the same way. So I can click on Carl, and as you can see, the blue bar drops just like LinkedIn and tells me that Carl currently doesn't exist in Bullhorn. So I can click on the Ebsta logo in the top right hand corner, and what you can see is that we do indeed pull in all of that information straight from the job board. So I can now click save and add Carl as a new candidate record straight into Bullhorn. Now I've also got some functionality in Gmail. So if I open up my Gmail and click on an email from Ed, you'll notice that the blue bar drops and tells me whether the sender of that email does exist in Bullhorn or not. And as you can see, Ed does exist and it's actually giving me some information on Ed as well, so I've got his email address right here. The last thing I want to show you today is our highlight search tool. So if I highlight any name on any website, so I'm going for Thomas Daniel on IMS Expert Services, I right click and I go to Ebsta search. Now just so you guys know, this also would work with a company name as well, so if I wanted to know if IMS Expert Services existed, I could also highlight that, and that tells me whether that candidate or contact exists in Bullhorn already, and as you can see it does as a candidate record. Thanks for listening today guys, and that's Ebsta for Chrome.